Not using a direct bank feed? You can still import your bank statement to save time on data entry. Here's how. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Download your bank statement as a .csv or .qbo, OFX, file from your online banking. In QuickBooks, go to the Banking tab and select File Upload. Map the columns from your statement, date, description, amount, to the corresponding fields in QuickBooks. Once mapped, the transactions will import into your For Review list, ready for you to categorize and approve. My crucial pro tip: clean the CSV file first. Open the file in Excel. Delete any header/footer rows and columns you don't need, like running balance. A clean file with just transaction lines imports much more smoothly and prevents errors. Bridge the gap between manual entry and a direct connection. Do you import statements, use a direct feed, or enter everything manually? For more time-saving data tips, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.